Hey, so in this short video, I will show you how to download the PDF of a credit memo. So I went to get a credit memo here on this page in NetSuite, and on the top left, you can see this printing icon. It has two options, the print and print GL impact. So I'm going to click on print, and that's it. You have a PDF of the credit memo. Obviously, yours will have a better design than the default one I have in this test account. At least I hope yours is better designed. If not, go into your advanced HTML templates. The other options that you've seen there for the credit memo when you print was the print GL impact. So the GL impact, it refers to the ability to include the detailed view of the general ledger impact that the credit memo creates. You might not need it. This feature is usually useful for accounting and finance professionals who need to understand or audit the financial implications of credit memos on the company's financial statements. But what you will send to the client will be the PDF that we printed here. Obviously, it might not be the most efficient to send to your customers. You might want to automate that based on certain like rules, flows, events, times, etc. And for that, I would recommend that you have a look at Kolleno, where you can automate all those processes, email, SMS, tasks, etc. See you in the next video.